All right, today I'm going to show you how to use an oscillating fan. Okay, this right here is an oscillating fan. This one in particular is made by Tefal. Tefal Air Max is the name of this right here. Now this is an oscillating fan. I'm going to show you how to turn it on. I'm going to show you how to get it to oscillating. I'm going to show you how to get it to deoscillating. That's not a real word, but I made it up and it sounds pretty good. I sounded like I knew what I was talking about. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this fan. Now, how to use this oscillating fan made by Tefal. All right, so on this particular fan, they have two switches that can power it on. There's the main power switch, and then there is the secondary power switch. You have to have the main one on in order to use the secondary. If you can turn on the secondary and the main one is not on, it will not work. So not all fans have two power switches, but this one has one, and perhaps maybe others. So in the back, there is a power switch right here, and the power on is clicked to the right. So it's the main power switch is on. To turn it off, you just go like that on this one right here, and it shows right here the off switch on this particular fan. I'm going to turn it on. And now with it being on, I am going to go down, and I'm going to go down to this switch down here. Okay, it currently says it's off. Now to turn it on low, I'm just going to go like this. To turn it on medium, I'm going to go like that. Turn it on high, I'm going to go like that. Turn it off, I'm going like this. Now, with it being on, I'm going to show you how to turn on the oscillating feature. So with this, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to simply press this down. And with it pressed down, you can see that it's oscillating left to right, left to right. Do it, do it, do it. See, it's oscillating. Now, if you want it to stop oscillating, you're going to have to go into the back. And when you do this, okay, say for instance you want to stop oscillating, wherever the fan is pointing and blowing, and you engage the feature that gets it to stop oscillating, it's going to stay in that location. So it's going to get to wherever I want it right here, and then I'm going to come into the back and pull that up. And as you can see right here, the fan is in one position blowing in that direction, and that is how you turn off the oscillating feature. Now I'm just going to go back down here, turn that off, and that is how you operate. This is how you use an oscillating fan. Now it's important that you read your user manual for your particular fan so you know exactly how to use yours. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for being a fan.